wipe down the kitchen cabinets, clean the appliances, clean the stovetop, make sofrito, dinner, steam mop the kitchen, edit my video, make a cake, and repot this plant right here. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be tackling my to-do list. Just stuff that I have been putting off that I really need to get done. You know, working full time as a busy mom, a lot of you can relate. It's just not enough hours in the day. But this afternoon I felt motivated and I just said I have to get these things done. So I'm just repotting this plant that I had purchased a few days ago. Those of you who have watched my videos before know that I love plants. I have a bunch of them in my house. Not only do they purify and give oxygen in your home, they're just beautiful to have, and I don't know, what can I say? I just love them. So I'm just going to give it a little more soil, and before I bring it in the house, I'm going to give it a little bit of water, and that will be it. So now I'm just going to make this cake that I had in the house that I wanted to use up, and these apples that I had from Trader Joe's. So these are gala apples, and I just went ahead and chopped up two pretty fine. Anytime that I have a store-bought cake mix, I always like to add my own ingredients into it. So like I said, I'm doing the apples and I'm just going to add in a little bit of vanilla. I have the cinnamon out, but I don't need it because I didn't realize that the cake comes with a pouch of it. So you are to layer the middle and then the rest goes on top of the cake. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish chopping up these apples, and this is the perfect fall dessert. I actually have my own homemade apple cake that I make. But this particular day, it was a work night, and I just wanted to make something quick before I went ahead and started dinner. So it actually came out really good. Everybody loved it, including the kids. So this brand is called Krusty's. I found it at my local grocery store, and I really, really like it.
I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean. Yeah, in the empty bottle lines of the
So the cake is just about ready. I'm going to take it out and let it cool. It looks and it smells so delicious. So now I'm going to make my homemade sofrito, and I just want to show you these leaves right here. This is like the base of it. So if you have an international supermarket, or sometimes a regular supermarket may have it, they're a little bit hard to find. I'll leave it up on the screen here, and it's on the order of a cilantro. Basically, you'll need a bunch of them, a medium onion. I used about 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, a green pepper, and that pretty much is it. I mean, a lot of people use these little green peppers and they're super hard to find by me. So I pretty much have been leaving them out and it comes just as good. You can't even tell. I promise you, don't come for me. This is my opinion, but I have been leaving them out. It comes just as good. So now I'm going to blend everything together. I do not have a food processor. I only have this blender, but it's a commercial grade, so it works really well and it's powerful. And I'm going to pulse everything together. And on the bottom, before I put everything in, I just put a little bit of vegetable oil to coat it. You can make as little or as much as you'd like. And then I use these 2 containers, and one of them I freeze and one of them I put in the back of the refrigerator so it stays nice and fresh and it can stay up to 2 weeks. And I will leave the recipe in the description box below for you guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and make some white rice. I'm just going to put it in my Instapot. But before I do that, I always am sure to wash the rice really well because you have to get all that starch out and there are some nasty little particles in it. So it's important to always rinse your rice, whether it be brown or white. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in the Instapot. There's a feature on it for rice. I think it's like 12 minutes, but it has to pressurize, so there's more time added. But it turns out really well. And of course, 2 nice heaping tablespoons of my homemade seasoning that I just made. I put in a little bit of vegetable oil, and then salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, adobo, and then I always use in my rice, I have some turmeric. Turmeric is super healthy. Not only does it give a nice color, but it's very healthy for you. So I'm just putting a nice amount of that in. And that's it. I'm just going to go ahead and put the lid on, let this rice cook up, and then I can start on my pork chops. So tonight I'm using my indoor grill. I'm really liking this grill. I've had it a while already. It leaves nice grill marks. Cleanup is nice and easy. I usually do burgers, chicken. Tonight I'm doing pork chops. So yeah, I'm really liking it. It comes with 2 grilling plates. So this one is for grilling, and then it has another one that you can do like bacon, eggs, pancakes, whatever you'd like. So here is the finished dinner, and it was delicious. And here is my cake that I made. So after dinner is done, it's time to tackle this dirty oven. And for this, I'm just going to use my thieves cleaner. So all you will need is 1 capful and the rest water in this spray bottle. And basically it cleans anything in your home. And I'm also going to be using this Barkeeper's Friend. If you have watched my videos before, I always talk about Barkeeper's Friend. I love it to clean out the sink, the tub. Basically, you can use it on anything in your home. I'm just going to spread that on here. Spray a little thieves cleaner. Yeah, it's a weird combination, but it works, I promise. And start to scrub a little bit, and then I'm going to let it sit and do its magic.
Imagination's got me hard. you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear the
So moving on to these burner covers, I have a tip for you guys. If you have these type of covers, put them in your dishwasher if they will fit. I have two and this one does not fit. That's why I let it soak in the tub a little bit with some thieves cleaner and vinegar, and now I'm just washing it off. It came really nice and clean, but if you have them and they're a little smaller than this and they fit in your dishwasher, put them in, thank me later. And now I'm just moving on to putting everything back. Who can agree with me that a clean stove is everything? Of course, a clean kitchen is everything, but a clean stove is even better. Let's face it, we cook every night, stove gets dirty. So I don't have the flat tops because I have a gas stove, so I have to deal with this. And white is the worst color to have. So I'm trying to make sure to stay on top of it. Everything did come nice and clean. And now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe the cabinets really well. It's been a minute. It needed it. So I'm going to go ahead and do it now. And for this, I just used some thieves cleaner in my spray bottle. It worked really well.
I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. I can do my own thing. I can do my losing track of time, losing track of myself. I can make promises to get into your head. Hey, hey.
So after the cabinets were nice and clean, I'm going to go ahead and finish up here with the steam mop. I absolutely love using my steam mop. I just feel that it gets the floor so nice and clean. So yeah, today was a very productive day. I was able to tackle everything on my to-do list. I can go ahead and check everything off. Now I'm going to go ahead and edit this video so I can have it up for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not done so already. And I will see you guys again real soon in my next one. Bye.
I can